Today is a day that I have been waiting for. I'm going to harvest 2 of my tromboncini squash. Yolanda Garrett! Thank you, baby. Now I'm going to bring them all in. I'm going to clean it up. And one of them, yeah, baby, I'm going to cook it. We're going to fry it up and we're going to see what does she taste like. So this is my first time growing it, first time tasting it. Lego. So many of the vines of the tromboncini is dead. So I'm gonna harvest this one and we're gonna bring it inside and taste. Now there's 2 over here that is ready also, but I think I'm gonna get this one. All right, let's get this one, y'all. Listen, I'm trying to beat the rain because if you hear, it's just started to rain again. But I wanted to share with you all that I checked my P.O. box today. Yeah, I got mail. I got mail from Kiki. Kiki is Sweets of Heaven, and this is what she sent to me. Do you all know that seed? Do you know that seed? Well, if you don't know that seed, y'all, it's raining. These are soursop seeds. Kiki, thank you, my love. Thank you, my baby. So right now, I'm gonna drop 2 of these seeds right now. Thank you, baby. I truly, truly appreciate you so much because, you never could get enough of soursop leaf. Even if you don't get the fruit, the leaves, baby, that's, the leaves is where it's at, all right? Thank you so much, sweetheart. I truly appreciate it. So there we go. I dropped 2 of the soursop seeds that Sweets of Heaven, Kiki sent to me. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. And I am going to take care of these babies. You know I will. You know I will. I harvest some of the seeds from my calendula. I forgot them out here and they're soaking wet. So I'm going to bring those in and spread them out on a counter in my garage and let them dry. But let's go inside. But I'm going to share with you all now. We're going to cook some of this tromboncini squash. Let's see if we like it, y'all. Let's see if we like it. Thank you, Yolanda. Yolanda Garrett. Yolanda Garrett. Let's go taste this thing, baby. Let's go taste it. So it is raining, but I want to go over here and they're over here by these fig trees over here. But if you can look under here, there's some green onion under there. And that's what I want. I just want 1 or 2. Let's see. Oh. I just want the green. That's all. That's all I want. So all I want is the green part, baby. Bye-bye. Oh, hell. I can't see. All right, there we go. All right. That's all I need. All right. So this is my purple potatoes. I'm going to be harvesting these really soon. But now I need to wait until this bucket dry out a little bit. But it looks like the rain is not going to stop. But that's okay. I have patience. So I'm going to get some of this mint here. I want to make a tea. I had some dried in the house. But the container where the mint is, the dried mint, is empty. Yeah, I didn't do that, y'all. I didn't do it. Other folks came in there and did it. But that's okay. I ain't mad at them, y'all. Let me get 2 pieces of this. This is garlic. Oh boy, I saw something, y'all. Look at this. Will you look at this? Will you look at that? Y'all see who that is? Oh. Y'all see who that is? Got the nerve to be mating all the time. So, who is that? The Harlequin beetle. That's who that is. And who she's on? A brassica. That's a brassica there. But there they are. Harlequin beetles. That's okay. I got them. So, this is what I have here. So I have, this is some flour. I put a little cornmeal in here. Also, it is seasoned, right? With onion, garlic, paprika, a little salt, pepper. And I also put some cornstarch in it. Yo. This is the one we are going to cut and use today. Woo! I'm just going to use a portion of her. So I'm going to cut it here. Oh, wow. That's the way she looks inside. Now, the neck part of the tromboncini, there's no seeds. All of the seeds is here in the big round part, but we're gonna set that aside. We're not gonna use that today, right? So I'm gonna cut this off. I'm trying to get the lighting right on this, but it's not great. And my lenses are clean, but it still don't look like good. But anyway, we're gonna move on. And cut that in half like that, and now we clean it. Now I've seen where some people, they don't peel it. Some people peel it, but I'm gonna peel mine. Let's peel half, okay? All right. Now, I've seen a few ways of, a few recipes, right? But I'm just gonna slice it in like medallions, and I'm gonna fry it. That's what I'm gonna do. I've seen people cook it in the the air fryer, and in the oven, and pan fry. So this is all I'm gonna cook today. We're gonna pan fry, but I'm gonna put a little, just some almond milk, really, just to give it some wetness so it could, my flour and cornmeal can stick to it. All right, y'all. All right, baby. You was trying to get my attention. All right, honey. I love you. All right. Yeah, baby, they frying up. All right, family. there is the tromboncini squash. Now, as I said, I've seen many recipes on how to cook tromboncini, but today, this is what we did. So I have in here some flour, a little cornmeal, cornstarch, and the seasonings of my choice. Yeah, and that includes Chef Paul Prudhomme, because I love it. Yeah, and so let's give it a taste. Now I do have some ranch right here, but I want to taste it plain before I taste it with anything else. Now I did not put a lot of seasoning, so I can taste the squash. Okay, so there you go. Oh, it's hot. So, I think, it's so hot, y'all, that I do like it. I do like it, but of course, as I said, I didn't put a lot of seasoning on it. And I think when I put, the right amount of seasoning, it would be really good. I like it. I really do. But it's so hot. God damn. Oh, let's taste it with this. It is very good. It is very good. Listen, I'm so happy that I love it, because one thing about a tromboncini squash, you will get a lot of food. Also, this squash is prolific. And if you're looking for a lot of food for your family, food that will store well, tromboncini squash. They hold that heat. But it's so good. Yo, I'm trying to get it. Yolanda Gary, thank you, baby. Thank you so much. I'm so happy you introduced this squash to me. Yeah. It's good, y'all. It's good. It's good.